Have you ever wondered why your hair never seems to look as good as your favorite celebrities? It's such a shame that most men are making these 7 hair mistakes without even realizing it. But don't worry, I'm here to help you fix them. So, let's dive in and transform your hair from dull and lifeless to smooth and shiny. And yes, women will definitely notice the difference. First, the main reason why your attempts to copy a hairstyle from a photo or a celebrity often fail is because everyone has a different hair type. Understanding your hair type is crucial, and we're gonna figure it out right now. This isn't new information, but many men never learned about hair types growing up. The hair type system, created by Oprah's hairstylist Andre Walker in the 90s, categorizes hair by numbers and letters. So, let's break it down. Type 1, straight. 1A is super straight and fine. Type 2, wavy. From 2A to 2C, with 2C being the waviest. Type 3, curly. 3A to 3C, with increasing curl tightness. Type 4, coily. 4 to 4C, the tightest curls. Why does this matter? Using the wrong products or haircut for your hair type can make your hair look worse. Here are some quick tips for each hair type. Type 1 hair straight. Avoid heavy products. Use lightweight sprays like sea salt or thickening spray to add volume without grease. 4-Day Series texture powder is a great choice. Type 2 hair wavy. Define your waves without crunchiness using light creams like 4-Day Series hair styling cream or a sea salt spray. Type 3 hair curly. Hydration is key. Use products that moisturize and define curls, like curl creams and hydrating oils. Type 4 hair coily. Rich, nourishing products are essential. Heavy creams, oils, and leave-in conditioners work best. Next, let's talk about natural oils. Hot water can strip away these oils, leaving your hair dry and lifeless. Instead, use lukewarm or cold water to preserve these oils and keep your hair healthy and shiny. Another mistake is not knowing your hair's porosity, which affects how your hair absorbs moisture and products. Here's a simple test. Drop a clean strand of hair in a glass of water. If it sinks quickly, you have high porosity. If it floats, low porosity. And if it sinks slowly, medium porosity. Adjust the amount of product you use based on this test to avoid greasiness or product buildup. After the shower, how you dry your hair matters. Aggressively rubbing with a towel can cause breakage. Use a microfiber towel and gently pat your hair dry. Also, use a wide tooth comb or a brush designed for wet hair to avoid damage. Cleaning your hair tools is another easy fix that can make a big difference. Dirty brushes can transfer oil, product, and bacteria back into your clean hair. Clean your brushes regularly with warm water and shampoo or soak them in water and vinegar for a deep clean. Don't neglect your scalp. It's like the soil for your hair. Regular scalp massages stimulate blood flow and keep your hair follicles healthy, promoting better hair growth. Finally, hair masks can make a huge difference. They provide deep nourishment that regular conditioners can't. Use a mask once a week tailored to your hair's needs, like hydrating masks for dry hair or protein treatments for breakage. By following these tips and using the right products, your hair will look amazing. Your hair transformation starts now.